What's up everyone, I'm Stonewall and today I'm going to be putting together this Lego minifigure jigsaw puzzle because why not? So I'm not going to go too much into this puzzle. There's not too much to say. I found this for like $10 at Target and thought it might be fun to build. So let me know in the comments if you liked this because I do have another one to build. And there are two other puzzles I think out there that I could buy if you're interested as well. But let me know what you think. It was pretty fun to build actually, not too hard because you can just build each minifigure kind of as like a little section at a time. So then there are just a few only white pieces at the end. So not too hard as far as a 1,000-piece puzzle goes, but yeah, I recommend it if you like puzzling. So I have a lot more non-jigsaw puzzle videos on my channel. Be sure to check those out and subscribe so you can see the next one. Otherwise, I'll see you later.